What's up guys, welcome. So check this out.
Before a phone is released, very often companies give out dummy versions of the phone to case makers so they can start making cases for the phone with the right cutouts. And with that, we now know what the upcoming P30 and P30 Pro from Huawei would look like, thanks to the case making company Spigen. From these renders, the P30 will feature a triple lens setup, which is aligned vertically at the back with an LED flash, while the P30 Pro will have a quad camera setup, also aligned vertically at the back with the dual LED flash beside it. The phones are going to come with in-display fingerprint sensors, as there is no fingerprint reader located anywhere on the phone. The P30 and P30 Pro will come with Huawei's latest chipset, the Kirin 980 SoC. The high-silicon Kirin 980 is Huawei's latest and greatest chipset on a phone, and the first 7nm chipset on the Android side. The P30 and P30 Pro, being Huawei's first flagship of the year, will definitely rock these SoC, along with 8GB of RAM on the P30 and 12GB of RAM on the P30 Pro. The previous iterations of the P series have always been equipped with LCD panels, but it seems Huawei has OLED plans for this year's models, according to a report from social networking site Weibo, and the display sizes will be 6.1 inch and 6.5 inch for the P30 and P30 Pro respectively, with both of them having a teardrop notch. Huawei might also revive the headphone jack on this year's P series, as the leaked renders show a 3.5mm port beside the USB-C charging port. Huawei is at the forefront of 5G, and they have stated that their first 5G device will be released in 2019. There's a good chance the P30 Pro could come with 5G support. Huawei has confirmed its attendance at the Mobile World Congress 2019, which starts on the 25th of this month, so we will be seeing this device soon, along with many other devices from different companies, and I will be providing you with all the updates, so please subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I release another video, and let me know what you think of these leaks down in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys, peace out.